Here we are again on a how-to video. This one we're working on how to change a tire. This particular model of vehicle is a Ford Fusion. Alright, on this 2012 Ford Fusion we have a passenger side, front, right-hand side flat tire. Best thing to do is call your road hazard, because your road hazard assistance is going to be there on time to do what it needs to do to get it done. But it's still the same steps. The steps are, you're going to go to the trunk. Trunk has your needed parts at all times in any car, new cars mostly. If you get a used car, make sure when you buy it that you have the actual jack in there and the spare tire. The problem with spare tires is the fact that they're not aired up sometimes. But this particular driver aired it up, which was necessary in my opinion. If you're going to put a tire on, you don't want to put a flat tire on. But I've seen some people talk about that before they put the spare tire on. It didn't have enough air, but there's actually reliability involved with the repair service when they air up a spare. If the spare isn't aired up right, it could be a road hazard. So here he has a spare out of the trunk. Okay, good size spare. All right, and this particular spare is actually in the trunk, but it's held down by a few nuts, so he had to get the 10 millimeter and go ahead and take it out of the trunk. So he has it out of the trunk. It's underneath a little rub closure in the back. So he's taking the tire to the front of the car. Now he's grabbing this jack. He has one of the good jacks. He's not using the actual jack that comes with the car, but I've used it before. It's fairly easy to use. When you put the jack under the car, if you're jacking up the right side, passenger side, front side, you'll see there's like little arrows underneath the car where the jack actually goes. In that position, it's going to hold the car up without the car being dangerous and moving, etc., etc. And you want to make sure you have the actual emergency brake on. You see, he has his forearm jack here. All right, so the forearm jack is actually on the tire right now. And so when you're unscrewing the tire, you want to make sure it's going opposite fashion. So if you unscrew one, you want to go opposite the other angle. Unscrew that one, go opposite the other angle. Unscrew that one. And when you're actually getting the flat tire off, it's easier for you if you actually loosen it up while it's on the ground, because it's going to hold the tire in place. If you're trying to do it while the tire is jacked up, it's going to move a little, and you got to sit there and work with it. All right, so he's jacking it up now. All right. If you see it has that long handle on its jack, it makes it easier to jack it. All right, one of these powerful pressure jacks, and you only had to do it about 10 times. With the small jacks, you have to sit there and crank it around maybe 20 or 30 times. And if you notice, he has a green fluorescent colored jacket on, and that fluorescent color, when you're on the side of the road or in a dangerous place, you're able to be seen when you're changing tires, things like that. And you can actually get one from the dollar store and keep it in the trunk. Alright, so see, it's already loose, and now he's just shimmying the bolts off. This gentleman is pretty good. I had to give him a 5-star rating. Because he's changing the tire, you want to make sure that the bolts come all the way off. Put them where you can see them. You notice that tire is completely flat. Alright, he's wheeling over the spare tire now. You want to line up. I actually have a 5-star pattern on this car. Line up the pattern. Alright, you don't have to have it tightly in place. Just make sure the bolt's holding it on the bottom first, so that way it doesn't slide down to the right. And then you put same way you took it off in a opposite bolt fashion. So if you tighten the bottom bolt, then you go up to the upper left-hand bolt. If you tighten the upper left-hand bolt, then you want to go down and you tighten the bottom right-hand bolt, and you keep going in that star pattern. All right, and once you have them on, then you begin the same way. Alright, just in a reverse motion. Tighten it up, alright. The jack you have, it makes it easier to tighten. If you have like a little small one position jack, it makes it a little bit harder for you. It's seesaw motion, so you have that weight on one side, weight on the other. Pendulum motion makes it easier for you. Alright, just swinging around, bam. Hit it a couple times, it's tight. Alright, swinging around, hit it a couple times, tight. As you see, he's going from top bolt to bottom bolt, top bolt, bottom bolt. You go around, make sure all of them are tight. Alright, he's looking underneath to make sure there's no extra damage that would be in the way once you drive off. Jack the car down nice and safely. You don't want to do it too fast because you could damage something on the tire. Alright, and then he checks it one more time. Nice safety check there. Good job. Like I said, I have to give this individual 5-star rating. Just so happens when I got the flat, I was actually in a really nice, safe place. I didn't have to move the car at all. FYI, if you move a car that's on a flat tire, it's going to damage your rim. Because the tire is no longer giving you support when you're driving on it. If you don't really mind damaging your rim slightly, it's okay. But you also have a tire sensor. The tire sensor tells your car if your tire's on flat or not. And that's it. He's going to put the tire in the trunk. Thank you.